Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for rocking with your girl. And if you are new, welcome aboard. Let me know in the comments below how you guys found me. I appreciate you for finding this video. And if you like it at the end, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And stay tuned because I'm going to give you guys my opinion on these clip-ins and my DIY headband wig. So today I'm reviewing some Zury clip-ins. It is the Max Volume Human Hair Natural Mix, and it's called Naturally Star Clip-On9 in the style curly, in the length 10, in the color natural. And shout out to Ebonyline for kindly sending me this pack. They actually sent me two because I wasn't sure if, you know, one pack would be enough. As you guys saw earlier, I showed you what it looked like. It comes in coily, curly, and kinky. I got the curly one, and this is how it looks when it comes in the package, and it has 3-time layer lace weft. So it looks like on the instructions, you know, it's telling you to wash the hair before you put it in. If it's a natural hair mix, I just don't see the point of that, because A mix means it's a mix between human hair and synthetic, so it's not going to last that long. So this is fresh out the package. I am going through with my comb just to give it a little more volume. And overall, I do like these clip-ins. I do have a lot here. So this is what the actual clip-in looks like. It does come in nine different little, it does come in 9 different sections for the hair clips. I do recommend ordering 2 packs if this is something that you are interested in. But I had decided to give myself a little, you know, knockoff headband wig. And so far I like it. It's cute. Yes, here are some of the other lanes that it comes in. You know, this could be like for your close to your edges if you wanted to like wear it down. That's what I'm going to do next. But I just wanted to give you guys, you know, I just wanted to show you what it looked like up in the ponytail. This is so cute. So it ranges on Ebonyline's website for $20. So that's not bad, especially if you get 2 packs, you're only spending $40. As of now, there is like a little bit of shedding, not too bad, but as far as tangling, again, it's fresh out the package. I did go through with my comb and just, you know, make it a little bit puffy just so it could like, you know, have a little bit of volume to it. And I would say this is 1.5 packs that I have in my hair right now, including with this, because I do have some leftover hair. But I plan on using this when I put my hair down like this. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. I have 2 packs in my hair. There was, I want to say maybe there was like maybe 3 rows that I didn't use. But yes, this is what the hair looks like. All of my hair is braided back. I did have some leave out of hair. I do have 4C hair. So what I did to blend it in was that I used some edge control on the entire strand of my hair just to make it like a little bit wet and wavy. And then I tucked it in and hid it in here somewhere. So, you know, just to cover it up, because this isn't my natural curl pattern. So, you know, I had to blend it in. So just want to give you guys a quick little look and let me know what you guys think. Did you like the headband method, or do you like it like this, the natural method? So the link to all the information will be listed below. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.